Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to reduce noise in Photoshop. As you can see here, so many noise or grain in this photo. Now let's remove them. Make a duplicate of this layer. Go to filter, noise, reduce noise. Select here basic, strength 10, preserve details 0, reduce color noise 90, sharpen details 0. Click on OK. Duplicate this upper layer. Go to filter, blur, surface blur. Give here 6 and 16. OK. Filter, sharpen, smart sharpen. Basic, default, amount 93. Radius 1. Click OK. Select this upper two layer and group it. And here we can see before and after result. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.